guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun stamping design with the Lena I Foil in Love stamping plate. I'm going to be using this design right here and then this one right here as well. This will be for accent and this will be on the majority of my nails. My base coat today is ILNP's XO. One of my stamping polishes will be Jungle Mirage. This is from Bundle Monster, also known as Maniology, I believe they just switched their name to. And then I'll also be using a white stamping polish from Twinkle. I do have an affiliate code that I will leave linked down below in the description box for you. Around my cuticles, I have Point Liquid Latex. My stamper for tonight is also from Point. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is lay down your base. This is 2 coats of INLP's XO, and then once that has completely dried, you're going to move into your stamping. So again, we're going to be stamping this design right here, and we're going to begin with the white polish. I'm going to place that on the nail, and then I always do stamper cleanup on a lint roller. Okay, and when you switch colors, make sure you clean your plate really well, and then lay down your second color. And this is where you want to be a little bit more careful and try to line it up the best that you can. Okay, so there are those fingers, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to our accent finger. So again, we are going to begin with the white. We are just going to stamp it across this nail, a little bit more than halfway. And then we're going to go in with the green. Okay, and then this same thing that you did on your ring finger, you are also going to duplicate onto your thumb. Once stamping is complete, all you're going to do is take your cleanup brush dipped in some acetone and just break the design away from the edges. All right, and once that is done, all you're going to do is take some tweezers and peel up your latex. And then once you have cleaned up a little bit better, once that latex is gone, you're just going to put on your favorite top coat. I like to use a fast drying top coat, and right now I'm trying the Out the Door top coat. I just picked this up at Sally's. And here is your finished design. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button and subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want to, and don't forget to follow me on all my other social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, as well as Twitter. And as always, guys, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!